Hello students, my name is Pinky Shah and today we will learn about Magic E. Before learning about Magic E, let us first of all see at our alphabets. You all know the names of the alphabets, right? Repeat along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are the names of alphabets. Now we will say the sound of the alphabets. Names are different and sounds are different. So what is the sound of these alphabets? A, B, 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 C, K, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, kick, L, M, N, O, Pip, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are the sounds of these alphabets. It's very necessary to know the name and sound of the alphabets. Now we will see this word. Can. The first letter of the word is C, which is the consonant. Second letter is A, which is vowel. Third letter is N, which is again a consonant. So this word is called as CVC word, that is consonant vowel consonant. We called it as CVC word. Now just imagine if we add E at the end of the word, it will become cane. Before adding E, it was can, K-N. But after adding E, it became cane. Because of Magic E, the vowel changed its sound. First, in can, it was saying its sound. But when Magic E is added at the end of the word, it will say its name. And what is the name of A? It's A. So the pronunciation of the word will be cane. K-N. Cane. K-N. Cane. Now, there is no sound of E. Yes, E will become silent and that is why it is called Magic E. Look at the another word. Pip. There is no E at the end, right? So the vowel will say its sound and the sound of I is E. So the pronunciation will be peep. But when we add E at the end of the same word, the pronunciation of the word becomes pipe. Because the vowel will not say its sound but say its name. And the name of I is I. So the pronunciation will be pipe. And E will be silent because it's a Magic E. Look at the another word. Tub. The sound of the letter U is A. So the pronunciation of the word will be tub. Tub. But when we add E at the end of the word, it will become tube. Why? Because of magic E, the vowel will not say its sound but its name. And the name of U is U. So the pronunciation of the word will be T-U-B. Tube. T-U-B. Tube. Another example. Rod. The sound of the letter O is O. O is O. So the pronunciation of the word will be rod. But when we add E, magic E at the end of the rod, it will become road. Because the vowel will say its name and not its sound. So the pronunciation of the word will be road. Road. Let's see few more examples. Just do with me. We will add E at the end of these words and make them another word. Cap. After adding E, it will become cape. Knot. Note. Cut. Cute. Bit. Bite. Fin. Fine. Can. Cane. I hope you all understood. Now let us see a beautiful song and you will sing along.
To change the sound. I say pin. Here I come to change the sound. I say pine. Here I come to change the sound. Here I come to change the sound. I say tube. Now we know the magic E, the magic E, the magic E. Now we know the magic E. This is the magic E.
I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you.